I have to say this temptation prayer. You know that the ways husbands are doing my nerves in. And all of a sudden now, my past toy boy is blowing up my phone. Please, Father, I beg you. I do not want to burn. I do not want to burn. Please, Father, the body is calling to this toy boy. I don't know what to do. Father, please. I do not want my name deleted from the book of life. Please, Father, I beg. Without you, I am nothing, Father. I'm telling you, I don't know what to do. My mind say no, but the good up say yes. Father, please. Please put a bridle on the good up. Take the key, throw it away. I beg. Please, Father.